Hello friends, Julie here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Lite Builders. Back at our job site again today, Coffee and Construction, Arcadia, episode 24. Oh, I've just gotten done with the longest electrical meeting with this guy right here. Our electrician and I have just wasted all the words we had for the day going through the electrical. But I want to show you around the space real quick. Okay, so all of our HVAC ductwork is in. You can see that there is a bunch of ductwork to get optimal HVAC around this house with all the heating and cooling, especially the cooling here in Arizona, to happen well and efficiently. And then you can see all the wires. Thankfully, we've hung some lights so that people can see inside this space while they're working. But look at all those wires, friends. Oh my word. We've got can lights on can lights. We've got wires upon wires and switches. And now we've got all the specifics down for our locations for sconce lights along these walls and this wall. Oh, it's going to be amazing. We actually talked about this wall here. This is where the master bedroom is, so that's where the bed's going to be. We're actually adding lights, reading lights above the bed for that application so that they're hardwired. Oh, it's going to be fabulous. Over here you can see this master closet. We've got some spots marked on the floor so that we know where we're putting light fixtures. All those lights are going in that space. Oh, just amazing. Yes, that window. It will get filled in. Here's Rob, our electrician, over there working hard, getting things started again because he's just worn himself out talking. We've got can lights upon can lights on ceilings here. And then we've got more spots marked on the floor for other light locations. Oh, let me find them here. We are over here. So that we've got just a few more light details to figure out. Over here is going to be the piano. So we've got a light over there. Oh, friends, all the stuff going on in here. So exciting to see the transformation. For Coffee and Construction, episode 24. Friends, thank you for joining on this journey with us. We're so grateful that you're here. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.